Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.
Divyesh is with us, who is a FOSIS staff member and will be taking your queries for the installation issues.
Hi, Nikhil. My query is till the end of the process, it went well. But when I start, when there's a button called start, I press that my laptop hang for like 2-3 hours. But then I like run the VirtualBox setup again, and now when I press the start button, it's showing error.
So what error is it? Do you remember the error?
Yeah, I'll just like just a second. Yeah, so the error was the device failed, open failed. Driver is probably stuck stopping starting. Uh, Try query like VBox DRV to get more information about it. Rebooting may actually help. Like this was the error.
Okay, in that case, I think so. Your did you check how much RAM do you have in your laptop?
Yeah, so the snaps which were shown in the instructions, so there was, I guess, 6 GB RAM was till the limit, but in my case it was till 4 GB. So for two processors, I have selected 3138 MB. Like that was the permissible, I guess, for mine.
Okay,
Uh, but yeah, but when I pressed that start button, everything like the my laptop hanged. But now when I'm restarting it again, so it's showing VirtualBox error. I can share my screen also and then show you what error it's
yeah, yeah.
showing.
Yes, I am also getting the same error. Failed to open the session for virtual machine.
Yeah, yeah, the same thing.
Okay,
So
so
can I share my screen to show you?
yeah, yeah, cool.
Okay. Yeah, I have selected the base memory as 3138 MB and processor as 2. But now when I'm starting this, yeah, this error is occurring. Like
Just a
make
sec.
sure the kernel module has been loaded successfully and like this error. And when I press OK, then like as mentioned by Kamlesh, like fail to open session for the VirtualBox machine.
So there is one arrow just after
This
start
detail.
button. Yeah, after start button. So click on that. Close this arrow. Okay, now detachable start. Just try that.
This again failed to open.
Okay, in that case, I think there is problem with the installation. Can you uninstall VirtualBox and try it again? If you are facing same issue, then write to Nikhil or contact CFD mail ID.
Okay, like shall I uninstall that Ubuntu, the 2 GB like file also, and then install everything again?
Yeah, so if you uninstall just the VirtualBox, your Ubuntu will be removed automatically.
Okay, okay, okay. I'll try it like
Yeah.
fully once again. Thank you.
I have successfully managed to install Ubuntu and VirtualBox, but when I try to follow the steps for installing OpenFOAM, firstly, I'm unable to paste whatever you have asked to paste the terminal. I am unable to do that, and when I try to do it manually, it's asking me to type in the password. And the moment I try to type in the password, it shows incorrect. I mean, it only considers the first or two letters. It's allowing me to type the password only within 5 seconds.
Okay. Uh, so when you try to copy from your Windows machine to the virtual machine, it will not work. The reason is
Okay.
there is an option called uh, some by copying, something like that. There is one option for that, so that is not enabled uh, defaultly. So for
So
that,
should I open the instruction sheet on the Firefox web browser in Ubuntu and then copy and paste it?
yeah, that will work. Yeah, open it in your
Okay.
that will work.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
So Windows subsystem that will not work. The reason is our spoken tutorials are designed such a way that you use your Linux command. So some Linux command, for example, copy command and stuff, will not work in your Windows subsystem for Linux. So when you download something, for example, code files and all, it will not work. So that's why we asked to install VirtualBox and then Ubuntu and then open. So I highly recommend you to use VirtualBox.
Can you tell me like how to change the keyboard configurations? Like when I using command, when I using control and two, I am expecting to type @ but it is typing something else. So how to change the configurations of keyboard?
So what exactly you are trying to do?
So for @ we use control 2 for to type @,
Okay.
but it is typing something else. Like it is typing slash bar, and for if I am you type try to type slash bar, it is typing something else. Like
I think that could be the problem with the Ubuntu installation. When you choose your, when we install Ubuntu in our VirtualBox, by mistake, I think you choose something else. There is an option for keyboard and stuff. So for that, actually, I'm not sure how to change that configuration. Anyway, you can uh, Google it or YouTube. There could be some YouTube tutorials for that. You can use that.
okay,
Yeah. Okay. So I'll share the link again. I think and it will work. By the way, Kevin, is it showing any error while installing or it's not downloading the Uber?
So it's not downloading on me.
Okay.
I think we can ask one by one if they have any query. Aditya, your query has been resolved, right?
Yeah, I mean, I'm able to paste it now, but again, it's showing me to type in the password, and when I try to type in the password, I mean, it's accepting the letters which I've typed only for 2 seconds. I mean, the first 2 or 3 letters password. I'll just share the screen to get
Yeah, that
more
would be
clear.
better.
I just pasted the command terminal prompt, and when I just click enter, it's asking me to type in the password. Okay, when I try to type in the password, I mean, see, I'm unable to type in the password completely.
Okay, so are you? So did you press enter and then type the password, or you just type password and then enter?
No, it just I mean, first enter and then I typed in my password.
No, don't press enter. Type password and then hit enter.
Then I'm unable to type in anything.
No, it will not show you the password, but yeah, it will work. So password will be hidden. Yeah, so it works, but there is one, I think, problem with the uh, that command. So you can check that command and then try again.
Sure, I'll do that. Thank you.
Okay, so there is one Mac issue. Mac problem, actually, I'm not sure, but let me just ask to Ashley. I'll quickly call him and get back to you. So basically, where you are facing the issue, Akshat, is it not installing or is it
Not installing.
okay? So when you click, I mean, when you execute the uh, setup file, is it showing error or is it
No icon icon बन गया है, but let me open it once. It's showing that it is inaccessible.
Okay, so from where did you download this
One
set
of
of
the
file?
link that I think Nikhil posted or someone.
All
Yeah, I
right.
posted that on Moodle. Actually, it was shared by Ashley to me.
Okay, so is it Mac? Is it I mean, specially for the Mac, or the link of that set of file is common? Did you check that, Nikhil?
Not actually, means Ashley shared with me, and then I shared it to Moodle.
Oh, okay, let me just check.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There seems to be an error in the repository error when I typed in the first command.
Okay, okay. Uh, by the way, who was installing the? Okay, Akshat was installing in the Mac, right?
Hmm.
Yeah. So I'll share the link. Can you download that file again? The setup file of
Okay.
VirtualBox. Yeah. Yeah. So you are facing error when you copy paste the command, the repository command, right?
Yes, yes.
So just confirm the command. There is one uh, -c in between. Sudo space sh -c and then wget. If you can show your screen, I think it would be better. Aditya.
Can you see the screen?
Yeah.
So I just pasted whatever was asked to paste. To do one. Okay.
Okay. So the the problem is this is the there are two commands, that two lines you are pasting in just one command. So erase everything. Do you have opened that file open
Yes.
in your web browser? Just open it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So
So
I should not do it simultaneously, right?
yeah.
One by
So
one.
copy first line, then paste it, and then second line.
I should type this for every command.
Uh,
Password.
Not exactly. So once you type for the next time, it will not ask you. But yeah, it depends on the time, how much time you are spending for the installation.
Okay. So am I going on the right path now?
Yeah, perfectly fine.
Okay. I just have to do everything one by one, right? Like if there are two commands given simultaneously, then I have to uh, type in one command first and then the other one.
Yeah,
So I'll do it. Thank you.
yeah.
So Shubham, do you have any query? Okay. So Kevin, Aditya, Akshat, do you have any more query?
Yes, yes. 1 second.
No, I don't.
So Nikhil, I think all of them are able to install. I think there were two people who were facing issue with the installation itself.
Yeah.
Yeah. So for them, I think Ashley shared something, but I don't get the chance to look at that query. Anyway, I'm posting it here. If they ask uh, through email, you can share this link.
Okay.
Hello.
If they still ask, just forward their email. Yeah.
Yeah. 1 second. I am sharing my screen.
So when you click on this setup file, double click on setup file, it gives directly this error, right?
Yeah, matlab I went through these steps, installation and all, and then finally it becomes like
Okay.
installation failed.
Just a second. let me- Uh, Akshal, can you share your email ID? I think we need to look at it, and
Yeah,
then maybe I'll share some link or something, the solution.
I've typed in chat box.
Okay, okay, okay. So give us some time. Probably by tomorrow, I'll share some
Okay.
solutions. So Nikhil, this Mac problems actually we never tried to install in the Mac.
Yeah,
That's why we are also new with the
yeah, yeah. Ashley also mentioned that
yeah.
actually means you are not able to get the Mac system to try that.
Yeah. So probably I think we need to go through some YouTube videos to check if there is any solution for this queries. Anyway, probably by tomorrow I think we'll
There was one student who also asked the same query, and Ashley shared some files. Then she didn't ask. I don't know whether she was able to complete the installation or not.
okay, okay, okay. Anyway, I shared with the screenshot and email ID to the Ashley. If it is the same error, I think he can share the links or whatever he has.
So, have you noted down his mail ID, Akshat Bansal?
Yeah, yeah, I did, I did.
So, I think we can wait for a few minutes.
Hmm. Okay.
Then